Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows what you want to watch? How Google finishes your sentences before you do? Or how Amazon always seems to know what you'll buy next? That's the secret of data science. Data science isn't just coding, but it's the art of finding truths in chores. It's the science of finding raw numbers into powerful and real world decisions. Think of it like you are not only crunching numbers, but you are telling stories with data. Behind every click, swipe, or scroll, there is data. And there is data, so there will be opportunities to predict, understand, and build smarter systems. For unlocking data science, there is three keys to unlock all the secrets of data science. The first one is tools. The second one is curiosity, and the third one is storytelling. So let's begin one by one with a deep explanation. The first one, we have the tools, and tools you have to learn Python, SQL, R, Excel, and Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and so many other great tools. These are your friend brushes to find your data journey. And next, we have the curiosity. You have to ask questions, because the best scientists don't begin with the answer. They begin with questions like why, what, when, where, and which. I'm talking about the data scientists. I'm not talking about the biological scientists. Okay, guys? So, the third one is storytelling. Numbers are just the beginning. The real impact happens when you make insight understandable. From predicting diseases, from stopping frauds, from predicting climate changes, these are the application and the secrets of the data science, and you have to unlock it. For unlocking these secrets, already I have told you about the tools, curiosity, and storytelling. And you don't need a PhD or any other degree to begin with data science. Just you need curiosity, and just you need passion to begin your journey in the field of data science. So don't worry about it, because I'm here for you and I'll teach you everything about data science. So first, we will brought for you short videos like that, in which I will tell you the facts behind the data science and all the things behind the data science. Because I'm a data professional, so being a data professional, it become my responsibility to provide you each and everything regarding data science. So if you have any query regarding data science and regarding the secrets of data science, so you can tell me in the comment box, and I'll see you in the next part.